now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, my name is Aim Khan and welcome to my YouTube channel Gate and ES Academy। हमारा ट्रैफिक इंजीनियर का टॉपिक चल रहा है, आगे का डिस्कशन करते हैं। हमने ट्रैफिक इंजीनियर में 6 टॉपिक कवर करने हैं, जिसमें से मैंने ट्रैफिक वॉल्यूम स्टडी कल कवर कर लिया था। आज हम सेकंड करेंगे ट्रैफिक फ्लो एंड कैपेसिटी एनालिसिस। ट्रैफिक फ्लो एंड कैपेसिटी एनालिसिस, इसमें हम पहले कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी पर डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी ट्रैफिक डेंसिटी, द नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल ऑक्यूपाइड बाय यूनिट लेंथ ऑफ रोड इज कॉल्ड ट्रैफिक डेंसिटी। एक यूनिट लेंथ रोड में जितने नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स ऑक्यूपाइड है, दैट्स कॉल्ड ट्रैफिक डेंसिटी। इट इज एक्सप्रेस इन व्हीकल पर किलोमीटर। Second is jam density. It is the maximum value of traffic density which a road can accommodated. Traffic density under jam condition is called jam density. कोई फिक्स यूनिट लेंथ में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ डेंसिटी विच रोड कैन accommodated. Traffic density under jam condition is called jam density. Note, jam condition is the worst condition on road under which congestion so high due to with movement of vehicle not possible, hence speed of jam condition is zero. यानी कि jam condition the velocity is equal to zero. This condition is called jam condition. Next is speed headway, इसको डिनोट करते हैं S से. It is distance maintained between two consecutive vehicle traveling in the same direction. This graph is shown two vehicle moving in same direction. It is the total length occupied by moving vehicle on road, which includes length of vehicle. Space headway is the gap and length of vehicle is a space headway. It is the gap L plus small l is the length of vehicle. The gap are also called as the stopping side distance. Let's call it 0.278 VR into VT into V into time for reaction plus L is the length of vehicle. And for space headway, reaction time is 0.7 second. Then solid and last result is S equal to 0.V plus L is the speed headway. For speed headway, reaction time is equal to 0.7 is the fixed time. Third, for geometry design. For geometry design, IRC suggest length of vehicle equal to 6 meter. Then 6 meter is the length of vehicle and speed headway is 0.2 V plus 6. Traffic density 1 kilometer divided by average space headway is the traffic density. So K equal to 100 upon S. S is the average space headway vehicle per kilometer. Then put the value of S, K equal to 100 upon 0.2 V plus L. This is the traffic density. Under jam condition V equal to 0, then 100 upon L. Under jam condition, traffic density is 100 upon N vehicle per kilometer. And the time, next is the time headway. It is the time gap between passing of two consecutive vehicle. Is the time gap. Traffic volume equal to 1 over per average time headway is the traffic volume. Density equal to 1 kilometer divided by space headway and traffic volume equal to 1 kilometer divided by average time headway, and Q equal to 36 by Tn. Average time is the Tn. Next is relationship between traffic volume, traffic density and speed. As per IRC, traffic volume equal to speed into density, Q equal to V into K, और K equal to 100 upon S, जो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस किया था, एंड पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ K. तो Q इक्वल टू V इंटू 100 बाई S is the relation between the traffic volume, traffic density and speed. And sixth is the relation between space headway and time headway. Q equal to 3600 upon Tn and equal to 100 V upon S, जो हमने थोड़ी देर पहले डिस्कस किया था. Then S by Tn equal to 100 V upon 3600. This is the relation between space headway and time headway. Seventh terminology is traffic capacity, Qmax, maximum value of traffic volume which a road can accumulated is called traffic capacity. मतलब maximum value of traffic volume, जिस यूनिट लेंथ में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हो ट्रैफिक वॉल्यूम की, मैक्सिमम ट्रैफिक वॉल्यूम अक्यूमुलेट हो रहा हो रोड पे, देन कॉल्ड मैक्स ट्रैफिक कैपेसिटी. एंड ट्रैफिक अंडर मोस्ट आइडियल कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड बेसिक कैपेसिटी या थ्योरेटिकल कैपेसिटी. मोस्ट आइडियल कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड बेसिक कैपेसिटी एंड थ्योरेटिकल कैपेसिटी. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस बाय ग्रीसिल्ड मॉडल. एक साइंटिस्ट ग्रीसिल्ड ने ट्रैफिक एनालिसिस करने के लिए एक मॉडल दिया था, दे कॉल्ड ग्रीसिल्ड मॉडल. स्पीड वर्सेस डेंसिटी. इफ v इक्वल टू vf 1 minus k by kj, vf is the free mean speed, kj equal to jam density. Then we discussed already this traffic volume equal to speed into density, and this is we will discuss. And for maximum, dq by dk equal to 0, and put the value of this vf minus 2k upon kj equal to 0, then k equal to half kj. And for maximum flow, vmax equal to vf kj upon 2 minus kj square upon 4 kj minus vf into kj by 2. As by IRC, this is the derivation for Greasefield model for maximum flow, and we speed at the maximum flow. Maximum flow equal to half vf into kj, and speed at maximum flow equal to this one, half of vf. This is the speed of maximum flow, and maximum flow equal to this one, half vf kj. Vf is the free mean velocity and kj equal to jam density. This is the next topic is LOS, level of service. Level of service is qualitative measure. Is the qualitative measure. Is a qualitative measure used to relate the quality of motor vehicle, traffic service. Is the qualitative measure. Qualitative measure. LOS is used to analyze roadways and intersection of by categorize the traffic flow and quality level of traffic based on performance of measure like speed, density, etc. Is the LOS यूज करते हैं रोड को एनालाइज करने के लिए, इंटरसेक्शन करते हैं डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज में, ट्रैफिक फ्लो एंड क्वालिटी लेवल ट्रैफिक बेस्ड परफॉर्मेंस मेजर. डिफरेंट परफॉर्मेंस मेजर करने का मतलब जैसे स्पीड है, डेंसिटी एक्सेट्रा. ट्रैफिक कैपेसिटी इज अ क्वांटिटिव मेजर, जो ट्रैफिक कैपेसिटी ऑफ क्वांटिटिव मेजर होती है, बट लेवल ऑफ सर्विस इज द क्वालिटेटिव मेजर ऑफ फ्लो. हाईवे कैपेसिटी मैनुअल IRC डिस्ट्रीब्यूट total 6 different level of service from A to F. A considered as the best among of all. IRC A to F different 6 level of service consider किए हैं, जिसमें से A is the best of all 6. These are the 6 level of service A to F. Number of This is the speed and flow air capacity graph A to F. Number of vehicle increase, density increase, speed decrease, delay to traffic decrease, congestion increase. This is the level of service A to F. Next is the topic is delay and queue analysis. Delay is the difference between departure time and arrival time for any vehicle. Difference between departure and arrival time is the delay. Graphically, it is difference between arrival line and departure line parallel to the time axis. Is the difference between the arrival line and departure line parallel to the time axis. Practically says difference between departure time and arrival time, and graphical says difference between arrival line and departure line parallel to the time axis. Second Q is, it is the difference between total number of vehicle arrival and total number of vehicle departure at instant time. किसी भी instant time पे total number of vehicle at arrival minus total number of vehicle at departure, it is called Q. Graphical, it is difference between arrival line and departure line parallel to the number of vehicle axis. Practically, difference between number of vehicle at arrival and departure, and graphically is the difference between arrival line and departure line parallel to the number of vehicle axis. And here's the graph. Graphically, it is the difference between the clear. Next graph, cumulative number of vehicle arrival and departure. This is the arrival and this is the departure. See the cycle time. Here's the meet arrival departure at same point. So here's the delay is 0 and here's the some delay shown in the figure. Here's the gap in between arrival and departure line. At this point, no gap, so delay equal to 0, and between this some gap is shown, so delay is not equal to 0. Average delay per vehicle equal to area between arrival departure line per cycle time divided by cumulative number of vehicle arrival per cycle time. This is the average delay per vehicle. And Q length and time graph is this one, and Q length is time graph versus time. And Q length versus time graph can be converted to the arrival departure versus time. Is a difference, is a converted graph. थैंक यू गाइस अगर आज आप पहली बार हमारे चैनल पे आए तो प्लीज़ गाइस सब्सक्राइब शेयर एंड लाइक. थैंक यू गाइस.